Oh my god, I'm so funny. Remember that we were screaming about vortex?
Like going to random people.
Yeah, and then Aina and Michael, oh, you're from, no, you're living
You're living in La Crosse.
And then he was like, no, I'm living in Vortex. He was
It's so
so
much
serious.
no sense.
I was like, I'm living in Vortex.
It would have been so fun if Marcos would go like to random people. Hey, Vortex.
Ele me beliscou aquela hora. Vortex.
É o nome do cara.
Eu ia achar que é tipo um programa de computador. Vortex. Ou alguma coisa de...
Sim, sim. Eu compreendo.
Palestina.
Oh yeah.
Tá precisando dar uma
A gente tem que ir pra Europa.
We have to go to Europe.